YouTube, welcome back to my channel, family. In this video we're going to talk about rentable location, right? In the last video I talked to you guys about what type of building to buy so you could generate passive income, right? So now once you buy the building, right, you want to make sure you're buying the building in an area, in a location where you're going to be able to rent it. All right, because the object of this whole journey is we could teach you guys how to make passive income and build wealth. So I already told you in the last video what type of property and what type of investments to buy, right? Now I'm going to teach you guys what area to buy at so you'll be able to rent the property fast. That way you can start making money quicker, right? So as we all know, right, we all are veteran, right? We all are in the military, right? So a military installation is a good primary area to buy a property that you're trying to rent, right? And then the closer you are to the military installation, the easier it's going to be for you to rent that property. Why? As military, right, what do we want? We value time. We value commute. All right. So the closer we are to the installation, the easier it will be for us to get to work. We don't have to worry about traffic, and we don't have to waste our time sitting in traffic. All right. So for military people, right, commute is very important and time is very important. We value our time and we value our commute. So the closer you buy that property to a military installation, the easier it's going to be for you to rent it. All right. Second, college. All right. The closer you buy a building to a college, the easier it's going to be for you to rent. Why? Same thing, time, commute, right? A lot of college student wants to stay close to where they go to school at, all right? Time and commute. Nobody wants to sit in traffic 30, 40, 50 an hour just going back and forth to school or going back and forth to work. So commute is very important when you buy your location, right? When you're buying property, I mean, commute is very important. And location is very important, right? Family, I'm about to give you a gem right now. A lot of people don't know about this. Hospitals. Hospital. The closer you buy a property to a hospital, the easier it's going to be for you to rent it, right? This is why. A lot of doctors accumulate a lot of debt going to school, right? The average doctor spend between 7 to 10 years paying off their student loan from going to school, so they cannot get qualified to go buy a property, because a lot of the money that they make, yes, they make a lot of money when they start working, but guess what, family? They're spending all that money paying off student loan. They don't qualify to go get another property, so a lot of them have to rent when they come out of college for the first 7 to 10 years while they pay off the student loan. So a lot of them come out of school, they look to rent. So if you go buy a property closer to a hospital, right, and then you rent it out to doctors or nurses, that's the quickest way for you to make passive income. And then the quickest way for you to start making money easy, because a lot of doctors, again, time and commute is very important in rental property. A lot of people value their time, a lot of people value their commute. So the closer you are to that hospital, the easier it's going to be for you to rent that property. Doctors are looking for places to rent when they come out of college. Why not give it to them with your VA home loan, with your property, right? Make it affordable for them. Make it close to where they work and make it easy for their commute. The easiest way, right? Another thing that a lot of people value, school district, right? A lot of families that have children, a lot of families that have kids, they value where the kids go to school and the safety of the area they live at. So make sure you're looking at the school district. Make sure your property is in a good school district when you're buying this property. Family, if you stay within these 4 areas, military installation, a college, a hospital, and the school district, I promise you're going to be able to rent your property easy and fast and start making passive income easy and fast. Now, I'm going to give you some areas to stay away from. You do not want to buy properties in this area, right? It's going to cost you more money than it's going to make you more money, okay? Do not buy properties in these areas, family. Stay away from these areas. It will cost you more than it will make you money. Flood zone. Self-explanatory, right? When you're looking for properties to buy, make sure you ask this question. Is this a flood zone? Alright, if they tell you it's a flood zone, do not just back away. Do not waste your time, because it's gonna flood. Your insurance is gonna be high, so that's gonna eat into your profit that you make monthly, right? And then on top of that, every year you're gonna be spending your money that you're making in repairs. And sometimes you're in the hole because the repair is more than your passive income. So flood areas is not worth it. Insurance are high and repairs are too expensive. So don't even waste your time buying in flood zone. It's not worth it. Busy streets and busy highways. It's hard for you to rent in busy street and busy highways. Why? It's very noisy, family. It's very noisy. As y'all know, right? I was in the army just like y'all was. I was in the military just like you are, right? In case you're not in the military. I just recently retired. When you come home for a busy, long day, what do you want? Rest, right? You want to rest your body, relax your body for the next day. Because as we all know, the military is very taxing on our body. It's very busy and we get beat up a lot, mentally and physically. So when you come home, all you want to do is rest. If your property is in a busy street or busy highway where it's constantly cars going by, it's lights, right? High beams, all that stuff, right? That affects your home because it's noisy. You're not going to be able to rest. And a lot of people, after a long day of work, what they value the most is rest. Second thing, if they have kids, right? The kids cannot play because they can't go outside and play because there's a road right there, right? They're going to be fearful for the kids getting hit, right? So if they have kids, that's going to be a factor for them, right? Where can my kids play at? That I know that they're going to be safe, right? So a busy street for a family is not ideal for them. They're not going to rent in the area. They're not going to rent a property in the area where it's busy. Second, repairs, right? If you need repairs done, a lot of contractors, it's hard for them to do repair on a busy street or a busy highway because they cannot park their vehicle to come do their repair, right? So if you find a contractor that's willing to come, they're gonna charge you more because they risk their life and their property getting damaged because it's in a busy street. They risk getting hit or cars running into them, right? Or they might have to go get a permit to get a cop out there to come block the area off or put cones so cars don't hit them, right? You have to pay for all that. So family, I tell you right now, do not buy a property on a busy street. It's not worth it. It's gonna be hard for you to rent it. And when you wanna resell it, it's even harder because nobody is looking to buy those type of properties, especially if it's an investment property. Nobody is looking to buy this type of property. And especially if they have family, nobody that has family is gonna buy a property that's on a busy road or busy street. So family, do not do it. Do not buy property in these areas. Flood zone, busy street, busy highway. Also, do not get a property on a slope. Do not get a property on a slope. If the driveway is on a slope, people not gonna wanna buy that as an investment property. Why? Because they're scared of their vehicle rolling down, especially if you live in an area where you get all 4 seasons, snow or heavy rain, right? Whenever you snow, the traction of that building, being that it's on a hill, it's gonna roll down. A lot of people don't wanna buy building that's on a slope, all right? So stay away from that. Again, family, the object of this journey is to teach you guys how to make passive income while you're in the military. So stay away from these type of areas. Busy streets, that's a no-no, family. Flood area, that's a no-no, family. Slopes, do not get a property that's on a slope. That's a no-no. Safety is very important. Peace is very important. Comfort is very important. People want to be able to be rest when they come home from work. They want to be at peace when they come home from work. They don't want to have to worry about outside factors. All right. So stay away from the 4 areas I gave you. All right. Military installation, colleges, hospitals, and school district. Good school district. If you stay within those 4 areas, you'll be able to rent your property fast and easy and make passive income. And then also those people will be able to pay you the average rental income for that area. Okay, family, hopefully you guys gain something from this video. I pray to God that you guys learn something. I pray to God that you guys use this information to go generate passive income. And I pray to God that you guys are well and healthy. Make sure y'all comment below what y'all gained from this video, what y'all learned from this video, and what y'all like from this video. Family, please like, comment, subscribe. God bless y'all. Have a blessed day.